Hello, how you doing? It's Mr. Do the Math here, and today we're going to talk about slope-intercept form. All right, this is written out like this: 6x plus 4y equals 24. Okay, 6x plus 4y equals 24. Right? We need to write this equation. What form is this in right now? Yeah. Well, what's this form? Very good. This is in standard form. How do you know it's in standard form? Yeah, well. Huh? Hey, yeah, Alex, help us.
Like, you give like, I don't know how to explain it, but like, I don't even know how to explain it.
All right, Charles.
6x plus 4.
Yeah. The x and the y on the same side. That's standard form. We need to change it to, so it's in standard form now. We got to change it to this form, which means we got to get the y by itself, right? So we got to get y alone in this problem here. So there's steps to it. First thing you want to do is you want to move the x, right? First thing you want to do is move the x. That's one. How will we move this x?
I know.
Yeah, Alex.
Let's subtract 6.
Yes, sir. Subtract the 6x from both sides, minus 6x, right? So now you get 4y equals negative 6x plus 24. Thank you. All right. Does everybody understand why it still says negative 6x plus 24 and it doesn't be, and it's not 18?
Because you can't do them to negative 6x because you got to divide and get rid of it. So you should leave it.
Close is a simpler reason. Why, Charles?
You can't add, it doesn't got
The
an
variable.
It doesn't have an x on the variable. Yes, they're not like terms, so they got to stay the same, right? They got to stay as they are. All right, cool. Now, how do we get this to be y? How do we get the y by itself here? Divide by what? What do you divide by 4?
24.
No, the whole problem again, you bring the back that line.
Very good. You divide everything by 4.
Yeah.
Good. So now you're going to have y equals negative 6x over 4 plus 24 over 4. Can we simplify this? Can we reduce this?
Yeah.
All right. What will we reduce this to be? Huh?
Do 6. Pit 6.
Not 2/3, but 3/2. Good. So you'll have y equals negative 3 over 2x plus, what's this? 6. All right. So now it's in slope-intercept form. Y'all see that? Now that it's in slope-intercept form, tell me what m is. What's the slope? Negative 3 over 2. And what's the y-intercept? 6. Good. The y-intercept is 6. Yes, sir.
So how you get negative 3 over 2?
How did I get negative 3 over 2? You divided the negative 6 and 4 by what? Not by 4. Huh? Say louder. 2. Yeah. You divided this by 2. We simplified by dividing the 6 over 4 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Well, negative 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Yeah? Cool. All right, let's rewrite another problem. All right? We can use Arduino. We had 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. All right, 3x plus minus 4y equals 12. Again, number one, the first thing you want to do, I'll write it down here. You move the x. The second thing you want to do is divide by the coefficient connected to the y, the number connected to the y. All right, so the number connected to the y, right? And then from there you simplify or reduce. Simplify. All right, so cool. First thing you want to do, move the x. How do you move this x? Minus what?
3x.
Minus 3x. Bam. So we got 4y equals 15x, right?
No.
No? 12? Okay. Cool. What's the next play? Divide by the coefficient connected to the y. Divide by 4. Do we divide just this by 4? Everything by 4. So it's going to be y equals
Negative 3x minus 12 over
negative 3x over 4 minus.
12 over 4. Oh, okay.
Alright, so look, the slope is what?
Oh.
Huh? Negative 3 over 4. You'll need the x for the slope. And then the y-intercept is negative 3. When y'all work that problem out, y'all got the y-intercept was negative 3. Cool? Y'all got that? How we feel? Alright, fist to 5. I got it. I ain't got it at all. This is foolishness. Micah, where you at? How you feel? Alright, cool. Alright. Huh? If you're 6, if you really understand it. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so this is slope intercept. I just lost that chart. So this is finding our slope and our y-intercept from slope intercept form, right? We even reviewed some of finding the slope using 2 points, and we rewrote standard form to slope intercept form. Okay? So if you have any more questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mr. Do the Math out.